Hello lovelies, today I'm showing you how I made this awesome Shadow the Hedgehog cake for my boy's birthday. We're huge fans of Sonic movies and recently had the best time watching Sonic 3 on Christmas Eve. One year, he even convinced me to make a life-size Sonic cake, but only the body and feet were edible. This time, I went for Shadow in a small size since there was just a few of us celebrating and eating it, but I was determined to make the whole cake edible. With cakes like this, structure is everything, and as always, I totally winged it. Who needs instructions anyway? To make life easier, I used Canva to blow up the shadow design across several pages, printed them out and taped them together with sellotape. Having this big reference was an absolute game changer. Of course, I left myself only a couple of days to finish this because we cake makers love to procrastinate and stress ourselves out. Or is that just me? My saving grace was a giant slab of Rice Krispie treats I brought back from Canada during the big bake. They were perfect for shaping Shadow's iconic spiky hair over skewers, all held together with chocolate ganache. It was actually really fun ripping off the spikes and eating them as treats off the sticks. After I built the frame, added Rice Krispie treats, sculpted the cake and coated it all in chocolate ganache, adding the black fondant was easy. I didn't even need to worry too much in some areas as I planned to add hair marks later. At that point I thought, phew, the hard part's done, but nope, those little details take forever. Can you guess how long it took me to finish this cake? I worked flat out with no breaks. Pop your guesses in the comments and let's see who gets it right. The face was such a challenge because the picture I picked had Shadow's face at an angle. If you make something like this, I definitely recommend choosing a straight on view. It will save you so much time. And just as I thought I was done, I remembered I had to add red to every single spike at the back. Oh. But honestly, when you finish a cake like this, it feels amazing. My boy was absolutely over the moon with his Shadow cake, and seeing his reaction made all the effort worth it. If you haven't tried a 3D cake before, definitely give it a go. My advice, just follow the process and it will all come together in the end. Stay to the end to watch how I added all the little details and see my boy's reaction. If you like this tutorial, let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video.